16-6, and of course we have our Shakey's face of the game, Criselda Antonio. She's 28 years old, and guess where she's from? She's from napakalapit lang, Cagayan Province.
Ay, tumbling lang.
Walking distance na walking distance. Criselda is our Shakey's face of the game. She gets the GC from Shakey's, and sabi nga namin sa inyo, pagdating nyo dito sa arena, kami nakaabang na. Naghahanap na agad kami ng pwedeng mapiling Shakey's face of the game. And when you get chosen, you get a free GC from Shakey's. And congratulations to Criselda Antonio from Cagayan Province for being a Shakey's face of the game.
Yun din yung inaabangan ng maraming tao na you get either a free pizza or now a free gift certificate.
That's right.
Nung nag-enjoy ka na, may uwi ka pa.
May uwi ka pa. At saka, pagka next na punta nyo, meron din tayong available na special limited edition Shakey's volleyballs over at our Shakey's booth, no? So pagdating nyo dito, hanapin nyo na agad yung Shakey's booth and ask for those limited edition Shakey's volleyballs only for 299 pesos. Napakamura from Shakey's.
So pag nabili mo yon, pwede ka pang mag-enjoy mag-volleyball pag uwi mo.
Pwede, o kaya pwede mong ibato sa mga kaaway mo pag uwi mo sa
But you know, a
bahay.
lot of people actually buy those balls and get them signed by
Yeah, that's
their
true.
favorite
At the
players.
end of the match, especially dito po sa Ninoy Aquino, our players from the different teams, they move around it. They
Yes.
sometimes watch the matches
Yes.
after their game, and they're so friendly. All these girls will sign and autograph your volleyballs, your Shakey's volleyballs. So please bring a pentel pen with you pag nanood kayo dito para ma-signan yan ng ating mga players.
Si Doc Ian pwede rin pumirma.
Pwede.
Oo.
Sa reseta, prescription time. Time out by Coach Mike.
Tingkuhin mo sa lang. Pahabain mo siya, ha? Pahabain mo. Basta ka na kasi ba? Susundan ka. Susundan ka doon. Susundan ka doon. Ha? Ipatro na lang dati doon. Pag kumala ka doon, paano rito? Kanina sa ganyan. Open sa rito. Maliit din ang vlogger niya. Tingnan mo, ha? Hindi ako magbibigay kung sino tumubig yan. Tingnan mo lang kung sino yung bakante. Ha?
The previous play, Tabaquero with a dig, and Giselle C going to Petrona. This is a good cross-court attack, avoiding the block, hitting the line. More of that from FEU if they wanna catch up and try to win this second set against Cagayan. Ang ganda naman.
And again, no coverage here for FEU.
Chuelim not only hits it really, really hard
Yes.
all the time, meron siyang diskarte.
Oo,
Kita mo naman.
Ang ganda rin ng basa, no? Before she actually attacks, you see her look at the other side.
That is a good trait of a good attacker. Nagbabasa mo.
Split second, ano lang yan, I mean, you don't have the luxury of time.
Good save from FEU. Joy Cases, dug up by Petrona. Petrona goes up for the hit. Good rally we're seeing. This time covered by Tabaquero.
Oh, she gets that through, but the ball is still alive.
Oh!
Tabaquero unhappy with that last touch.
18-10. Lumayo na naman po ang CVRS. 18-10. Chuelim. Floater naman ang serve ni Chuelim.
Eulalio with a good attack.
Oh, inabot pa rin ni Chuelim.
Masipag dumipensa itong si Chuelim. Oh, look at C!
Oh, still up. I thought that ball was already gone.
Oh, look at the exchange and the rally.
Oh!
Fourth Pimol.
Wow, what an
Cases.
exciting rally.
Or rather, Cases going for that one. Look at this. Cases
Avoiding the
very
block. The fans loving it, folks.
Kailangan, di ba? Pag kita nyo, pag napabagal natin ang bola, natagdatin ng buwan, gumaganda rally, di ba? Pabain ka natin. Yan. Ano? Tubig.
Agar.
Alright, Coach Nes Pamilar, obviously in a good mood today.
Kahit pa ganito kalaki lamang ng Cagayan Valley, still all smiles.
Alam mo na, nakikita naman yan, the girls are really giving it their all.
That's right, and yet another error here, service reception error.
Ivy Remulla has seen better days in receiving the ball than today.
Actually, itong si Patrona, I think, and Remulla both are not training with, have at least once, I believe, have trained once with
the team, yeah.
Yes.
Making it difficult for them to really gel with the pattern. Oh! Like that, exactly.
Yan din yung isang kailangan mag-uusap sa loob ng court.
Yung mga ganong 50-50 plays,
Oo.
talagang sa sa tagal nyo na nagsasama na kukuha yan. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, gotta be Shakey's. Patrona, the block is there. Solid block by De Los Santos. 22-10. It is a 12-point lead for the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns.
Excellent serve.
Sipag dumepensa ng Chuelim.
Oo, nakikita mo talaga yung habol sa bola.
Free ball from FEU. Ganda ng set. Good dig though.
I think at this point, kailangan ng magandang depensa nitong FEU. Eulalio still hasn't, wala pa rin napapalo.
Nice defense. This time the libero is Gallego for FEU.
Dinadaan din sa bilis. Look at Cagayan Valley. Just with everyone on the side of FEU is scrambling pagkatapos bumalik ng bola. Simpleng drop ball.
With a drop.
Look at this.
And
Nobody was there,
that's
clearly.
Right. And alam mo naman, pag si Joy Cases, pag pumalo yan, malakas.
Dala ang bahay at
Oo.
lupa.
Inside. Or
that
that's
one
outside.
is called out just by a few centimeters
That's
from
right.
the end
That's
line.
right. Close one right there. Chuelim with a service error. Giselle. Excellent serve from Giselle. And I really have to give credit to Coach Mike Rafael, you know. These girls, I've seen them for the past 3 years climb up really to this kind of caliber, you know, to this level of play. Itong sila De Los Santos before, sila sa Tubino before, they weren't really spectacular na umpisa parang nila, alam mo na, ito, these were raw talents, and Coach Mike Rafael really developed these girls to what they are today.
And I remember itong si De Los Santos, no, personal ako. I've seen her before she started playing. I think she was in high school.
Before she was born?
Hindi naman before she was born. Bata
Labo.
pa ako eh. No, before she started playing for college, no. And you would see that may potential, pero still has to be honed. But now, looking at her, parang talagang you'll be surprised
That's
with
right.
the development and with
That's
how
true.
she has improved.
That is true, and those kinds of plays have given CVRS the second set 25-12. More convincing we're here in the second set.
As we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play, giving Cagayan Valley a convincing win here in the second set.
That's right, and as we eat our Shakey's pizza, we'll be right back for the third set when we come back.